What if I told you over 10,000 people watched this one introduction video about transforming stress into art? And what if the reason it resonated with so many is exactly what you need to hear today? Hi, I'm from Hobby 101, and I post calm, beginner-friendly Zentangle tutorials. My recent Inktober Tangles video reached over 10,000 views, which honestly surprised me. But here's what I learned. There are thousands of people quietly looking for exactly what we share here. Simple, mindful drawing for real stress relief. One viewer left feedback that really stuck with me. They said my voice was soothing, but my drawing pace felt stressful. That comment made me realize something. This isn't about speed or perfection. It's about finding your pace for peace. So watch for the full video on Hobby 101. I'll be posting it soon. But this time, we'll go slow, really slow. We'll prioritize peace over productivity. Look, I can't promise you'll become an amazing artist overnight, but I can promise you this. If you subscribe and join our small, calm corner of 1,800 creators, you'll learn to find peace in your lines. And sometimes, that's exactly what we need. If that sounds like something you need, hit subscribe. I post new Zentangle tutorials every Wednesday and Saturday, and during Inktober, it's every day. No pressure, no hype, just honest art instruction for real stress relief. I'll see you in the next video.
With gentle strokes, the journey starts. A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your zen unfolds.